Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mackie Chan coming back at you. Just wanted to give you a little framework, um, simple tutorial, guys. So all you got to do is don't forget to sub and like. That's first. And then when you are done with that, I will include in the description the download link to the MetroFramework. All right, so let's get started. We know that we're going to open up our Visual Studio, create a new project. We're going to make sure it's in C#. We're going to choose WinForms, Windows Form. Name it whatever you want to. I'm going to name my Metro. All right, Metro Y. I guess I'm going to have to start doing these tutorials from my laptop because it's way faster. Either way. All right, so you want to add the reference. So add a reference. Go to browse. I'm going to pull it off of my desktop. Well, I'm just do it right here. Once you have it in, make sure verify says MetroFramework. That's done. Then you can right click on your app, view code. Right up under using system Windows form, put in using MetroFramework. It'll go ahead and do it for you. Go down to forms, finish that out. And if you would like to be able to use animation, you can add everything in here because all the options are in here. Components. Controls. Drawing. You don't have to use all of these just to be able to use the form. So once you get the using MetroFramework.forms in there, you come over here to where it says public partial class form 1, and you change it at the last one where it says form, put Metro. Simple, right? I'm gonna finish this off just so you can see interfaces. Metro native. That's done, right? Flip back over, your form changed. Let me get this out there so you can try to see it a little bit better. Alright, so this is where you can change the font. You can change the whole style of it. I usually go with ink free, bold, 11. It'll expand, you can change it to whatever you want. Then you go down, you can take and change the form name, Metro YT. I'll change the control color right here. And we'll put, we'll just do white. Go down to the bottom. You're looking for text align, style, shadow type, and all that. So I'm gonna do text align center, theme. They only have the dark and the light, which is fine with me. And you can change the top of it, so we'll go for red. And we'll come down here because I normally like to do this. This helps if you do not know how to add your panels to make it take up the whole dock space, guys. So you see that. Let's start it. Time to upgrade. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that.